Let's do this tapping meditation. I'll show you the tapping points. So this is the karate chop. This will be done 3 times with the setup phrase. Then we will move to the eyebrow, side of the eye, under the nose, chin point, collarbone point, which is 1 to 2 inches below each collarbone, under the arm, about the bra strap area for women, and then top of the head. Those are the traditional points. So let's go ahead and do this tapping meditation. So here we go. Welcome to the tapping meditation to release anxiety about healthy food choices. And again, this was something that I wrote for my Healing Insights 70-day course as a bonus. So here we go. I want you to go ahead and take 3 deep breaths with me. So breathe in and breathe out. Anytime you breathe in new positive energy, and you release old negative energy. 2 more times. Last time. So this helps reset your central nervous system so that you can calm your amygdala, that stress center of the brain. So find a place where you feel comfortable and we'll begin. So here we go. We took our 3 deep breaths. One more just to kind of center ourselves. And let's get started tapping. Repeat after me. If not, you can repeat it inside to yourself. Here we go. Even though I have anxiety about healthy food choices, I choose to forgive myself and honor how I feel. Even though I have anxiety about healthy food choices, I choose to forgive myself and honor how I feel. Even though I have anxiety about healthy food choices, I choose to forgive myself and honor how I feel. We'll start at the eyebrow. All this anxiety because I don't know what food is healthy. All of this anxiety, I feel it in my mind, body, soul, and spirit. I only know how to eat what I've been eating my entire life. That's why I have anxiety. How can I ever get rid of this anxiety? That's what I learned to fill my pantry with. I feel this anxiety because I don't know what I should listen to. How can I make healthy food choices? Everyone else around me is eating the way I shouldn't. I just want to figure out what is healthy so I can let go of this anxiety. What if I could just let go of some of this anxiety? I choose to forgive myself for not knowing how to make healthy food choices. I choose to change my BS story that's holding me back. Remember, Tony Robbins says we have a bullshit story that's holding us back. You need to release it right now. I choose to stop thinking that I have to follow the crowd. I choose to stop thinking, poor me, I didn't learn how to eat healthy food as a child. We have to start realizing we're not victims. I choose to take responsibility for my own well-being. I realize that it is up to me to learn about healthy food choices so that I can start living my new life. I'm releasing this anxiety so I can move forward with my goal to eat healthy. I'm releasing all of this anxiety right now from my mind, body, soul, and spirit. Take a deep breath. So just release any or feelings, events, emotions holding you back right now. And you may feel the need to tap a bit more. So if you do, go ahead and measure what your level of anxiety is. It's always a good idea to check that level at the beginning of the tapping on a scale of 1 to 10, and then again after on a scale of 1 to 10 to see if you have shifted. So that way it kind of helps you know, because this is energy psychology, it's energy medicine, and you want to be able to move or shift that energy that's holding you back and release it. So I hope that this helps you. And I just want to make sure that you share this video with all of your friends that you have, family members, so that you can understand that there's a new way to deal with weight loss and body confidence. Maybe you don't need to lose weight. Maybe you just need to improve how you feel about your body. I think most of us, whether we're male or female, have had some type of an issue with our weight or our body confidence. As I said, it doesn't have to be weight related. You know, maybe we just don't like a certain part of our body. You know, maybe we're not proportioned just the way we think we should or what would like to be. But just know that tapping can help you get where you need to be. It can help you improve all areas of your life, as I mentioned to you in many of my other live videos.